What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? As you can see here, we have HLBZ, Helbiz, INC. HLBZ is 11.20% down on Friday, which again, I'm going to say that we're in this bullish trend, man. Like, let's not forget this. We're in this bullish range. Bam, bam. So, even if it comes right here, we're still going to be in this bullish range. You feel me? So, yeah, let's not forget this. But also in the higher time frame, we're just shy of tapping into that supply. So HLBZ is just in a pretty interesting situation right now. So what's actually the chart telling me right now for HLBZ or Helbiz is that we are just breaking the structure down, like break, 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 break. We're waiting for that break. So yeah, there's still no break there. Uh, so yeah, like I mean, if it ever comes into this supply, let me just delete all these lines, man. I know, like pathetic. Let me just come to the 4 hour. Nothing there. Two. Nothing there. Okay. One. Nope. So yeah, 30 minutes is the melody is what I can do right now. Then we got this break. Then we got this break. Okay, so we don't seem like we came back from we were in this range right here. And then we broke this. So at least we shifted bullish, then we broke this once. And then I believe what we're gonna do is be bullish to maybe some this supply right here. That will continue to be either from here bearish or from here bearish. To what low? To this low. Low at 122. So these are my opinions. Let me know what your thoughts about it. Have a wonderful day.